Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Monday, November the 11th, 2024, and I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku. So it's time now for the binary. Yes. And I've not so good news in today's newspaper. We have no extra puzzles, no additional, so only these three regular puzzles. News of the day, well, 401 days ago, more than 400 days, cannot believe this. Another war started not in Ukraine but in Israel, and the war is still going on, and the people there are suffering. 70% are women and children. So, well, and it's almost 1 week, more than a week. Sorry, 1 month. It's Christmas time. So yeah, almost end of the year. Anyway, the binary puzzle. This one will be number 9573. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. And between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Then between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Then, let me see. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I cannot place the number 5 here, the 5th one. Otherwise, we will have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of those, but this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, so that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1s, here no, there no. Then between the O's comes in 1. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and 1, O and 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm stuck here. Can I compare this one? Yeah. This row and the last row. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need to compare again. I think we need to compare the columns. We have a double 1 here. No. Okay. How about this column? Double O. Here also double O. 1 O O 1 1 O. This column and this column. O 1 1 O 1 1 1 1 O. Empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need to compare again. How about we have a double 1s here? We have 2 double 1s. O. No 1. O. No. Not the same. How about here? Double O's. 1 O 1. Yeah. This one. Yeah, and this one. First one. 1 1 1 1 O 1 1 O 1 1. Empty box O. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 8 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.